Hi, this is Yamez with Allen Metal Forge saying, hey, how's it going? Thank you for keeping on with my twisted tutorial videos. Today I'm going to go over a twist that was brought to light by Heath Heiliger. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, of Shepards Forge. That man is a great man, and if you haven't already, and it's like there's not a lot of people that I know that of my subscribers that haven't. If you haven't already, I recommend you subscribe to him. Fantastic guy. All the love and support to that man. Anyway, he was talking about twists. He's, it's like, I'll let y'all know what this, he's like, I really, wanted to come up with a pineapple twist, but I really didn't feel like cutting it or something along those lines. So he was practicing with that, and he just did a few turns and then a couple turns back, and he's like, that looks pretty cool. And with his permission, it's like I'm going to take it one step further, and I'm going to twist this fairly tightly. I'm going to try and go for 2 twists on this and then 1 twist back. No cutting. This is a pineapple twist with no cuts. I don't believe it has a name yet. I'm sure it's going to look cool as hell. Heath has the right to name it if he so chooses. And as of right now, I'm going to call it the Heiliger twist, or his last name Twist. And I'm sure I'm not saying that right. I know he messed up my last name once, Zeiss. It's Z-A-C-E, Zeiss. Anyway, on to burn time, and we'll turn this into the Heiliger twist. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Alright, so this one I'm just gonna clockwise, 1/2, 3/4, 1 1/4 and 1/2, 3/4, and full. I'm pretty sure that's correct. My gloves started burning, so I had to kind of lose track. Alright, so what we have here then is a real tight twist. Now I'm going to take this over to the anvil. I'm going to reheat it a bit, take this over to the anvil, and square this up. First I'm going to count it off camera to make sure, and square this up and then do it half the twists in counterclockwise. Okay, so here we go. It's real simple, bringing it to square, not knocking the twists off. Let's have some fun with that. Back to straight. And what's cool about this is I've got a really tight spot. Ooh, that's kind of warm. And a not so tight spot. So we get to see a couple different, differences in it. All right, back in the fire for the twist. All right, and then back 1 turn. 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1 turn. All right, that looks pretty cool already. Let me clean that up and try and get some better lighting. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Let's pull that off. All right. Now, I hope y'all can see this. I'll try and adjust for the light. And it is basically the pineapple twist without cutting any lines. That is pretty slick. Turns out really nice when it's done tight. I wish you could see it up close like I can. You can't, I don't think you can see it almost looks like waves or ripples. Again, Heath Heiliger came up with this, and I swear, I hope I'm saying his name right. Heath came up with this of Shepards Forge, and just a fantastic idea. That's the point of experimenting with twists. It's like I did my shark tooth. Oh, I wonder what a Rubik's twist looks like when you put everything, at an angle. And that's what it looked like. This is, I wonder what a pineapple twist would look like if you don't cut the lines. Well, if it hasn't been done before, it has now. Heath, fantastic job coming up with that. That's an inspiration. There's a lot you can do with that. I'm sure it's red hot, real hot, so I don't want to grip it and feel if it's comfortable, but I bet wire wheeled up. You know what? I didn't do these with the last ones, but I'm going to go wire wheel this up real quick and show you guys a cleaned up version. Man, that really pops all cleaned up. That is an amazing twist. Thank you, Heath. I'm Yamez with Island Metal Forge, and thanking you for watching and supporting me in my videos. And I would like to take this point again. This is my 7th video for the Twisted tutorial series, and it sounds like if you're watching these in a row, it sounds like I'm just a blah, 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 but check out my Facebook, follow me, subscribe. I go live every Saturday around around noonish to 2 for about 2 hours. Support your fellow blacksmith. Have fun, forge on, and hearts and health. And thank you for supporting me. Y'all are great.